The SantiCleana Ozone laundry washer system is a next-generation cleaning solution built for modern households. With dual outlets and a sleek stainless sprayer, this system converts ordinary tap water into ozone-rich O3 water. That means it removes 99.9% of dirt and bacteria without using harsh chemical detergents. Perfect for families with sensitive skin or newborns, it eliminates chemical residue while saving money on detergent. It's compatible with all washer types, whether standard, HE, or combo. What sets the SantiCleana apart is its cold water magic. Thanks to its industrial-grade ozone generator and UV-enhanced catalytic oxidizer, it delivers stable O3 concentration with a 6 to 10 liter per minute flow rate. The system uses advanced mixing and integrated UV purification to clean efficiently, even with cold water. And within just 40 minutes, all O3 safely reverts to O2, making it septic-friendly and environmentally safe. It's a smart option for eco-conscious users. But it's more than just a laundry upgrade. This 6-in-1 system also lets users wash fruits and veggies, bathe pets, clean dishes, sanitize bathrooms, irrigate gardens, and even support skincare routines. Its upgraded stainless steel sprayer and explosion-resistant hose are built for daily use. New buyers can also contact the manufacturer, Central Industry Group, for the latest enhanced parts. That means better durability and performance right out of the box. Installation takes just 10 to 20 minutes. With UL, CE, and RoHS certifications, it's built for safety and efficiency. Smart maintenance alerts make upkeep simple, with clear color-coded signals and reminders. The UV button even flashes after 1,000 hours as a gentle nudge for air dryer replacement. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the SantiCleana system is a powerful, low-maintenance way to revolutionize home cleaning.